What's up, everybody? It's your boy Driver Mod. I'm gonna make this quick just because there are videos out and there's not videos out. So coil pack and spark plug change on the on the M177 C63 E63 motor should be identical. All right, so driver side, super easy. Pop these off. 1, 2, 3. Pull out. Fuck. So pull those out. 1, 2, 3, pop those out, unplug, do the spark plug, self-explanatory. This part gets a little tricky. I was trying to avoid popping off the fuel rail because I just don't like messing with it, but in this instance I had to take it off. So pop this off. It is a pain in the ass. You do have a screw here. This actually ended up cross-threading, so fuck it, it is what it is. And this is a pain to pull out because this line is so strong. So just be careful pulling that out and putting it back in. Then I went ahead and moved this wire out the way, made it a little bit easier. Took this black plastic cap off. You probably don't need to, but I did just for that minimal clearance on it. And then from there, nice and easy with everything else. Just pop this off, pop it back in, go. Driver side, cake. Passenger side, pain in the ass. Pop this off. I know that's in the video. Then there's another one over here. Take those off. Both are some Torx bits. I forget the size off the top of my head, but just buy a Torx bit set and figure it out. And then, bam, bam, bam. Take those off. This unplugs. Whole harness is able to move back and forth nice and easy. This is the one that's not discussed. Everybody either already has it off and has it back in, and nobody tells you how to do it. This portion, do not unplug any of these per the other videos. There's one guy that shows you how to unclip. It's kind of hard to see because I have a headlamp on and my phone's almost dead. There's a clip right here. You're going to want to push the tab with a flathead. Push the tab towards the turbos and lift the whole module simultaneously, as you can see there. Now, there is one screw in the back. God bless, it is very difficult to get to, if I can get this on camera. It's between there, dude. Oh my God, it's such a pain, bro. So, I finessed it out using my little Chinese chopstick fingers, and from there I was able to get it. Hindsight 2020, I was trying to figure out how to get this what might be a coolant pipe out of the way. I think that's what it is. It's plastic, so it's brittle too, and you can't, there's not, it's in the way. Thank you, AMG, it's in the way. But if you go in the back and follow it, there is a, you can see where, if I can show, this is going to be a challenge. All right, right here. See this? There is a screw hole right there. Oh my God. Right there. Yes, that one. Undo it. This whole thing pops out. Make sure to pop it back in. Pop it back in. It pops out. You will have a baby screw right here. Take that baby out. Do this. Get it out. You will get more free play with this, and you will be able to put the coil pack back in as a whole. I know the boots separate. I didn't want to separate them from the actual coil pack, and I wanted to put the coil pack in the way that I took it out. Take that screw off in the back. Save yourself a headache. It'll make this so much easier to work on. Almost forgot. So there's another bracket that I had removed just because the press fit for the intake actually sits on it right here. I went ahead and undid that just because, and actually it sits like this. So right in there. These two line up with it back there. You'll see the two holes whenever you get to it. This pipe rests right in here, so it kind of holds it in play. But this is important because your intake needs to press fit in there as well. So make sure to put that back if you do take it out. It kind of helped me with a little bit more space. Other than that, that's really it. Everything else is kind of self-explanatory on this side. And hopefully this helps somebody who was stuck watching countless YouTube videos of the same stuff or half-assed stuff. So Merry Christmas. I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully I can help y'all out with some more stuff in the future. Stay tuned. Thank you.